Why would many of people have negative concern that AI would replace them on this beautiful earth? Why would people believe that AI would come against them as innocent people? Why would artificial intelligence call AI take control over human? While the truth says that human is the one who has dominion over anything on earth. This is not true. Military in USA use drone in war zone and emergency team. It can map up to 2.7 million square miles with its ability to map for the military. Drone can be used to take raw data captured by drone and turn it into actionable insight for the police. At least 160 police and fire departments used drone in 2016 in the United States. Drone can be used to benefit agriculture, especially to monitor the crop on farm in the United States. According to Munich Reinsurance America, around 3/4 of all US farmers are currently using or considering adopting the technology to assess, monitor, and manage their farm. More than this makes an awesome benefit from drone as modern AI. Drone could also be used for construction. During the construction phase, drone has a lot of potential use. They have to track and communicate the progress, tracks and manage the material and assets, and increase safety, provide valuable information to improve design change. In 2017, the statistic of drone in construction so the engineer and builder made use of drone data survey 239% on construction sites. To learn more about drone, please visit www.billion.com.